Hey, how's it going? Welcome to this video. We got a little treat for you guys. Well, I don't know if it's a treat, but here's what we're gonna do. We are going to fix something, or at least try to fix something. And as you can see, I've got the sunlight coming in. It's beautiful outside. And we're going to try to fix this. Yes, my headphones. These are 5-year-old headphones, by the way. But we are going to try to fix those. And hopefully it's focusing. And let's get into it. Right now. Headphones. I love over-the-ear headphones. I also like really small, very light Bluetooth headphones. But I like these here. And so I have me a nice stick. I also have me some Gorilla Glue. It says bonds to everything. Let's see if it does. All right, now we're gonna get in here. I've got a top-down view that I'll switch over to so everybody can see what I'm doing. Hopefully, I try to keep it on a wide setting so that we can see everything. All right. As you can see, it still works just fine. And I'm gonna tell you right now, the battery on this thing, I've never had to change out the battery. I'm serious, it's like 5 years old. It just happened to break. I was pulling it out from somewhere. It was caught in between something, and when I did, it snapped right there, as you can see. Just snapped right off. Not sure if you can see that. We'll take a look and see, but it fits in just like that. Now, here's the problem. I've got two ways that I can fix this. These are supposed to be able to rotate like this so that I can still put them in the case and rotate like that. So the idea is to not glue this here. Let me show you right quick. I don't want to glue this part. What I want to glue is the internal, this part here that connects to the internal. We will see. All right. So that's what we want to do. We want to glue it, and then we snap it in place, and then hold it in place, and we will see what happens. All right, let's get to it. All right, without trying to hurt this. Okay, here we go. I've got it open. I got it open. So now what we're going to do is what I'm going to try to do is glue this piece here, this round piece part. That's the part that I want you to glue, nothing else. So I'm gonna get some glue on my trusty stick here. Woo! I think I got a little bit, and that's what the paper towels are for. I was trying to be a little bit prepared. Kind of putting it around it and all around it. Try not to get the edge like that, like I did. And if it does lock in place, it's what it is. But I'm trying not to. All right. We'll put that down. Take my extra and wipe the lid off the Gorilla Glue and put the lid back on. Boom. Now let's put this on here like so. There we go. And there I got some extra glue. I'm gonna take that off. And just hold it. Gotta hold it. Now as you can see that I've worn it for a little bit. It's the headrest is the fabric is already peeling off. I get every time I take it off. Well, when I was using it, every time I took it off, it would get in my hair. That was always fun. And yeah, it would do that. Now I'm going to try to put it down in a way that would keep it from moving. Now, as you can see, I'm not having no. I should have thought of a clamp or something. Hold it down there a little longer there. But anyways, it's all good. I'd like to see if I can fix it, and if I can't get it to stick like the way I want it to, then I probably will just go ahead and glue it. I'm not sure that's gonna work, guys. Every time I touch it, it moves. Yeah, looks a little bit better. And I'm not sure how long this glue sets. Spread a thin layer of glue on the surface. Clamp together for 1 to 2 hours. Yeah, that's my problem. I don't have a clamp. Now let me think about it for a second. Is there something I could use? Oh, see, anything I have, I've got some clamps, but they're real. I mean, they bite down hard. Might be too much for this. Anyways, I don't want that glue to soak through the table, so you need to be mindful of that. And that is me trying to fix my headphones. How about this? Let's check back in 2 hours. How about that? We'll check back in 2 hours and we will see if there's any improvement. All right, see you then. It's been 2 hours. And let's see here. As you can see, it's still a little loose, but it is much stronger. So I don't want to move it too much, but I can tell. I might have to put something else on there. I'm afraid it might pop out. But I can tell by the stick. Oh yeah, it's a lot thicker. It's still, you can still tell it's got a little paste to it still. So not like super glue, but hopefully this will be something that's like super glue in the end, but it just takes a longer to set up. So I'm going to continue to let it set up, but I just wanted to come back after 2 hours and show you where it is. Well, I appreciate you joining me on this little fix. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe to the channel. And if not, that's okay. Let me know in the comments what you thought, what I could do better. Who knows? I'll do my best. You guys have a great one. Thank you.